voice check करना है एक बार. I was teaching about the various types of soils, and before going into soil erosion and soil conservation, I would like to discuss with the students a comparison between these four soils which I have already told you all, namely alluvial soil and black soil, red soil and laterite soil. I repeat what I told you earlier. The first two, alluvial and black soil, are listed as fertile soils. And usually, you get a comparison between both these soils. Now, I had given an assignment to complete a chart regarding all these four soils, the areas where they are found, the process of formation, the crops for which they are most suitable, and their characteristics. And if you remember, characteristics, I told you to divide it under two columns, physical and chemical. So, while doing it, you must have realized a lot of things about these soils. Now, what I want to highlight is alluvial is the most fertile, and please note it covers 40% of the land area. 40% of the total land area, and by land area I mean cultivable area. That area which is cultivated in India. That means a very large proportion of crops can be grown and are grown on alluvial soil. Now, why it is the best, you should know, because it is a combination of sand, silt and clay. Three ingredients it has: sand, silt and clay, and altogether we also call it loam or loamy soil. Remember, any soil is a mixture of certain elements, and in this case the proportion of all these three are just right in alluvial soil, and that is why it is very, very suitable for crop cultivation. Now, because such a big area is available, economic importance of the soil is highest. I repeat, in all these four, alluvial soil is economically the most important. Now, black soil. The most prominent feature I am focusing on. Firstly, you should know black soil is also known as Regur soil, and one more name is given to it. It is known as black cotton soil. Cotton is included in its name because this soil is extremely good for growing cotton. And the reason why it is very, very good for growing cotton is the main property of this soil is it is water retentive. Meaning, this soil has larger percentage of clay, and that is why it can hold water or moisture for a very long time. And particularly for the cotton crop, this feature is very helpful. So black soil, from the name you know, the color is black. The reason it is black in color, because it is formed from breakdown of igneous or volcanic rocks. And another feature which I told you, it is highly water retentive. Both these soils are very, very fertile, I told you. Now we come to the two infertile soils. You can see red soil and laterite soil. Now,